The Global Flavors program started in 2020 to showcase every week a global cuisine from one of our dining employees. We would showcase not only the dish, but the employee as well.
You know, I was challenged to come up with food from another culture in another country, and it could be anywhere in the world. And I thought about it, and I was like, well, Watertown has the second largest Armenian population in the country, and I have lots of Armenian friends, so then I thought, why not Lahmajoun?
So it's an Armenian flatbread. It typically has a beef or lamb base. There's vegetarian bases you can do also. It has like a cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, tomato sauce on it. So it's almost like an Armenian pizza.
Or this is a nice soft pita that you can use for it. So they have some nice lemon salt, so that can be used in the dish.
We really enjoy bringing this international cuisine to our dining halls because it's an educational piece and also gives students an idea of either staying in their comfort zone or trying something ambitious.
I want to make sure that I have like an authentic kind of, I know what it's supposed to taste like so that I can get a good recipe, so that, you know, at the end of the day, it tastes the way it should taste, and I'm giving a product that the kids would enjoy.
A lot of people remember Lois and the Lahmajoun and what she did, and we were able to just recently do another culinary pop-up with it. I work with our dining and student interns, and they would reach out to our cultural groups across the campus to see if they had an interest. There's nothing better than telling a story and sharing a meal at the same time, right?